Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's world, where environmental concerns are at the forefront of global discussions, the concept of closed material loop has gained significant attention. This sustainable approach to material use is changing the way industries operate and how we think about resource management. As we delve into the intricacies of closed material loops, we'll explore their importance in creating a more sustainable future. How is closed material loop reshaping various sectors? First, let us understand what is a closed material loop. A closed material loop, also known as a circular economy model, is a system where materials are continuously reused, recycled, or repurposed, minimizing waste and minimizing the need for new raw materials. This concept stands in stark contrast to the traditional linear economy model of take, make, dispose. Let's now understand the key aspects of a closed material loop. Resource efficiency. This means maximizing the use of materials throughout their life cycle. Waste reduction. This means minimizing or eliminating waste by turning it into valuable resources. Continuous recycling. This means ensuring materials can be recycled multiple times without losing quality. Design for recyclability. This means creating products with their end of life in mind, making them easier to disassemble and recycle. All the above aspects are so important in today's world to achieve circular economy using sustainable materials. By implementing closed material loops, industries can significantly reduce their environmental impact. Businesses can reduce costs of production while often improving their economic performance. Now let's examine the benefits of closed material loops. The adoption of closed material loops offers numerous advantages, and businesses should consider material choices, particularly for single-use packaging. Environmental benefits will be plentiful. Let's list few of the environmental benefits. Reduced resource extraction. We know and understand that natural resources are limited. Lower greenhouse gas emissions. This is significant benefit of closed material loops. Decreased pollution and waste. Decrease in production and mining will decrease pollution and waste. In summary, reduced resource extraction and usage, lower emissions, and decreased waste and pollution are some of the key environmental benefits. Next, let us understand the economic advantages of closed material loops. Cost savings on raw materials. Companies will save costs on raw materials if they adopt closed material loop model. New business opportunities in recycling and remanufacturing. New job roles, positions will emerge in related sectors like waste management, composting, recycling, manufacturing, and logistics. Improved resource security, as countries or regions will have sustainable, stable, timely, adequate access to requisite natural resources. In summary, cost savings on raw materials, newer job opportunities, and improved resource security along with good reputation in the eyes of consumers are key economic benefits. We have discussed so far the environmental and economic benefits of closed material loops. Next, let us understand the social impacts and ramifications. Job creation in recycling and remanufacturing sectors will be a benefit that will ensure a sustainable future. Improved public health due to reduced pollution will be a significant outcome. Enhanced corporate social responsibility will benefit communities, build trust in the minds of consumers. In short, some of the key social benefits are job creation, improved public health and systems, and realization of corporate social responsibility. One other advantage of a closed material loop system is innovation stimulation. The model encourages the development of new technologies and processes. It promotes creative thinking in product design and manufacturing. Let us look at examples. Closed material loops are being implemented across various industries. Textiles, companies like Patagonia are creating clothing from recycled materials and offering repair services to extend product life. Electronics, Apple's iPhone recycling program recovers valuable materials from old devices for use in new products. Packaging, TerraCycle's Loop platform partners with major brands to offer reusable packaging for everyday products. Construction, the Buildings as Material Banks (BAMB) project in Europe aims to create buildings designed for easy disassembly and material reuse. Next, let us see how innovation in materials with help of material science has taken big strides. Let's explore PHA, a prime example of closed material loop. PHA is an excellent example of a material designed for closed-loop recycling. PHA is a biodegradable polymer that can be broken down into its original monomers and then reconstituted into new PHA without loss of quality. Key features of PHA in a closed material loop are many. Let's look at few. Biodegradability. PBA can naturally decompose in the environment if not collected for recycling. Chemical recycling. PBA can be broken down to its original chemical components. Quality retention. Recycled PBA maintains the same properties as virgin material. Versatility. PBA can be used in various applications, from packaging to textiles. The PBA closed material loop demonstrates how innovative materials can be designed with their entire life cycle in mind. PBA is one example that is contributing to a more sustainable and circular economy. There are some challenges in implementing closed material loops. While the concept of closed material loops is promising, several challenges need to be addressed. Infrastructure development. Establishing efficient collection and recycling systems requires significant investment. Technology limitations. Some materials are still difficult or expensive to recycle effectively. Consumer behavior. Encouraging consumers to participate in recycling and choose products made from recycled materials. Economic viability. Ensuring that closed-loop systems are cost-effective compared to traditional linear models. Regulatory frameworks. Developing policies that support and incentivize closed material loops. Cross-industry collaboration. Coordinating efforts across different sectors to create effective closed-loop systems. The challenges of closed material loop systems can be overcome by way of collaborative work by government, corporations, and consumers. As technology advances and awareness grows, the future of closed material loops looks promising. Emerging technologies. Innovations in recycling technologies, such as chemical recycling and AI-powered sorting systems, will make closed loops more efficient. Policy support. Governments worldwide are implementing regulations to promote circular economy principles, such as the EU Circular Economy Action Plan. Consumer demand. Increasing environmental consciousness is driving demand for sustainable products and closed-loop systems. Business model innovation. Companies are exploring new business models, such as product as a service, to support closed material loops. Material science advancements. Development of new materials designed specifically for closed-loop systems, like PBA. So there you have all the facts about the concept of closed material loops and how this is important in sustainable future. The concept of closed material loop represents a paradigm shift in how we approach resource use and waste management. By reimagining our production and consumption patterns, we can create a more sustainable and resilient economy. While challenges remain, the potential benefits of closed material loops for the environment, economy, and society are immense. And it stimulates innovations. As consumers, businesses, and policymakers, we all have a role to play in supporting and advancing closed material loops. Visionary, supporting companies that implement closed-loop systems, advocating for policies that promote circular economy principles, can contribute to a more sustainable future. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's continue this important conversation about creating a more circular and sustainable world.